So this is a small demo video on the extension that will show how we can download it, upload it on Firefox and run it. So firstly I will go to my browser and go to this repository, custom input box and summarizer, and from there by clicking on this code button and selecting download zip option, I can download the repository zip file. So this is our file, and now I will unzip it, and now let me tell you how we can upload this on Firefox. So in Firefox I will type about debugging, okay, so I have typed the wrong address. So here it is, and I will click on this Firefox, this option, and here we are getting temporary extensions, and under that load temporary add-on button. So I will click on load temporary add-on button, and from there I will go to my extension folder and click on manifest.json and open. So we have loaded our extension. Now for testing it we can go to some website. So let me go to Codeforces. Okay, now I will choose any input box. So here it is. So I can see that as soon as I clicked on the input box, the extension started working. So if I type in this above box called habit mode, if I type any text, let's say tourist, so automatically the same text will come in that input box also which I had selected. If I click on enter, then it will load that response. Now let me open the extension, and I can see that there are two modes, habit and advanced mode. So in habit mode I can select the position also, and there is also a button called keyboard shortcuts. So if I click it, I will see the shortcuts which I can use to switch between the toggle and advanced modes. So for toggle mode I can select command plus shift plus 1, and for advanced mode I can select command plus shift plus 2. So now I will switch to advanced mode, say by using the shortcut command plus shift plus 2. So we can see that I have shifted to advanced mode. Now if I again click on the input box, I will see the advanced mode. Now if I click on summarize content and write who is tourist on Codeforces, and if I press process, then it will start summarizing it, and soon I will see the response. So here is the response, an AI generated summary. Now let me click on optimize layout. So this button will modify the CSS of the website according to our need. So let me write change the background color of the web page to black and the text color to white. And if I click process, then we can see that the background color has come black and the text color is white. But we should be very careful, as the responses are being generated by AI, so the prompts we are giving, they must be very clear. And now I will show you briefly how the extension works by showing its files. So I will go to VS Code and I will open the extension folder. We'll click add, and we can see that there are a lot of files. Now firstly I will tell you about manifest.json. So this file will mainly handle the names of the extension, the version, manifest version, the permissions, uh, the commands, the shortcut commands we were using, the using to toggle between the different modes. Then there are index.js, index.html, and index.css. So these are concerned with the working of the extension window, main window. And then there is an endpoint.txt. I will tell about this later in the end. Then there is content.js. So this file, it is mainly concerned with injecting the content scripts and getting the responses from the extension. So we can see that here is a Mistral API key, Mistral model. So this is the API key our model will be, our extension will be communicating with. And there is init extension. This will initialize it. Then there are different functions, and this is a very important function, create smart input. So this will create a smart input box, and it will whenever we select some option, it will switch to the window of that mode. And position smart input. So if we select any option in that mode, so like in the habit mode, if we select any option like top, middle, follow, then it will subsequently display the box according to that. Then there is another function, setup drag. So whenever we drag the box from one place to another, so this function will handle that event. And then there is background.js. So this will handle the dynamic actions that will happen, like toggling between modes. So this is a brief working of the extension. Now I will tell you about a very important thing. Now if we are sending responses to the model and we are getting some type of error, then we can check the endpoints. So for that we have this file endpoint.txt. So for checking that, we can copy this file and go to terminal, and in that we can directly type this command, and we can see that we are getting a response from the API key. So this is working. If we were getting some kind of error, then that error would show up in this response. So using this we can check this. So this completes our demo video. Thank you.